Should I unload my bike and just see? This is what you do. Get a pretzel. Imagine that. Instructions. If you can hear me with all the traffic, this is the entrance of the Pagosa Pines RV Park and luxury cabins. There's 23 RV spots and 2 beautiful luxury cabins. We are getting ready to go see a live band. We're still here at Pagosa Pines RV Park in Pagosa Springs at our friends Randy and Jenny's RV Park, which is wonderful. And every Saturday night they have a live band. So we're gonna go check it out.
I'll work harder, work smarter.
Going downhill instead of uphill. I guess that'll work. Oh yeah?
Yeah, look at that Jeep.
Here we go. Got your cups.
Got the cups.
We got homemade frozen margaritas, all wrapped up. And pretzels.
Okay,
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show you something. You're gonna love it. All right. My watch timer just went off. This is real important. Real important. Grand Harvest. I am addicted to this game. Are y'all? Anybody else play this? Jill plays it. I didn't know.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't know we were playing it. She's played it for years. I just started playing it. So
My
I set
addiction
my
goes for a long
timer.
time.
You what?
My addiction goes for a long time.
So I gotta harvest. I gotta press that button. Okay, done. And then there's a dog, Diesel. I named him Diesel. You have to find him. There he is. Right there. I don't know if you can see him, but he'll spit out coin or bark out coins. It's not time. He's sleeping. I'm addicted. That's all I can say. I'm addicted. Okay, I'm done. I put it away. Done. Rods, pretzels, and a margarita. Take this, put it in the margarita, use it as a spoon, and the salt from the margarita, the salt from the pretzel into the margarita, perfect.
And it stays crunchy.
And it stays crunchy.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
I mean, restaurants are missing out. Instead of chips and salsa, when you have margaritas, they need to have a cup of these on the table. And then you can use it as a spoon. Don't knock it till you try it. I think restaurants, bars, they're missing out. If they would serve this instead of chips.
Yeah. And it stayed crunchy the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
That was weird.
It is crunchy. And you can stir with it.
And for all of Gail's fans out there, she soaks a Triscuit in her wine.
Oh, I don't think I showed you that.
I'm not ready to go there.
Is it really recording?
Yeah.
You want to
I'm not ready. I'm not ready to go there.
Jill, this is pretty good. It's the ratio. The thin paper thin cracker
with the thin cheese.
it's so thin it has one side.
I know, but these just look sad. They just look sad.
The thin cheese. Yeah. So, yeah, it is. It's kind of. It does remind me of communion.
Yeah, a Triscuit. That's a cracker.
And takes you away. It's time to stop. That's how everybody what's going on.
There's a baby. Hello, sweet baby.
He's here to listen to them jams.
Oh yeah.
It took a miles and years and some tears, but I'm on my way. I felt just like Jeremiah Johnson when he said I just can't resist. For the first time I saw the fire in the sky.
City Hall is a cute little restaurant where we had a delicious lunch. They even kept the menu in the spirit of things with creative names.
She just said that's my favorite.
Okay, you got this. And what is it?
The special?
But what's the special?
Yeah, the coleslaw.
Oh, and it's not a coleslaw, right? Did you need the ropes?
No.
Dinner sandwich. That looks delicious. What'd you get?
yours.
I got the veggie
The veggie burger. Or
sandwich, yeah.
And Mark got a hamburger. And then I got the chicken, the cowboy chicken sandwich. Yum. So it is the back one.
This one's the back, and then there's a 2 in the front.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize that both baskets were in that one
That
box.
one's already
Yeah. Nice. This is Lectric brand. All right. Instructions. They're pretty interesting. The racks can go either way. The big rack can be in the front or the back and vice versa. So imagine that. Instructions. Oh, okay, now we're gonna put this on. Okay. Here we go. I am the instruction reader. Jill, are you the instruction reader?
You're the instruction reader. I'm the knitter.
The knitter, yes.
I'm
She's
knitting.
the knitter and the quilter.
I'm knitting
Yes.
a cool toque I can wear while I'm riding.
A toque. Y'all know what a toque
Gail.
is?
That's Gail's too.
No, I already
A
finished
toque.
Did you? She already finished it?
It's a cap. It's what Canadians say, right?
Yeah, Canadian thing.
Yeah.
I call it a hat.
Mr.
I've never called it a
Canadian.
toque. I've never called it a toque.
Oh, you hadn't? Well, new word. Toque. Don't need a toque today.
We're working on the bicyclette.
Bicyclette?
Bicyclette.
Bicyclette.
It's French for bicycle.
Oh,
Basket for the bicyclette.
basket for the bicyclette. Install the cable clip to fasten the cable onto the grooves located under the front rack. So that's under there.
And there's another one here.
Okay. Now this is weird to me. Step number 1 says place the small basket above the front rack. Blah, 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 blah. Then you go down to step 3. Baskets are interchangeable with front and rear racks.
If you wanted to put a big one up front,
Yeah. Well, to me, they should have put that little notation up there just so you would know they're interchangeable.
this
You need a hat.
This is for the bicycle lock, the E-lock.
Oh,
It goes right here.
Right there. Okay. Oh, you already moved the headlight.
I'm fast.
You fast. Yeah, it says to let it hang down here, but yeah, this looks better. It looks better. I wonder why they don't have you do that in the instructions.
This is it. And then Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle.
It looks like almost like a beanie.
Here, like that. And then you just slip it in the holder. Oops, it's not supposed to be.
Sweet.
Like that.
And that's your lock.
And that's your lock. Here are your keys.
Nice. Okay.
I don't think it'll
Oh, you
slouch
had to-
on your hair head because your hair is so. Should have made it longer than what the thing said. I made
Jill
a
just
toque.
loves being on camera.
I made a toque. It's supposed to be a slouch hat,
This
but
is
it's
so
not.
cute.
It's not slouching very much.
It's not slouching.
It's more like a beanie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You look like you're from Colorado. Oh yes. Yes.
I told you, I have a little head.
Yeah, you do have a little head.
do
That's
have a little
weird.
head.
But you have a lot of hair.
A lot of hair.
Sweet. It looks good.
You can order one of these for $10,000 on.
Right. I'm happy to knit you one. Here.
You want to see me in it?
Oh yeah, there you go.
See?
That's a cool looking hat. Yeah.
Yeah, baby. I like it. I told the audience just, yeah, one is what did I say, $1,000? $1,000 worth of love.
Take it for a ride. That's my haul.
Oh, you need the key? The key to freedom.
Yeah. I need something on there to make it sound.
I'm making sound effects for the heck of it.
The key to freedom. Howie, that's gonna be your new ride. Bob's your uncle.
See, Howie will fit in the bag.
The little one wouldn't bag.
They're interchangeable. Step number 3 said that. Step number 1 said to do it a certain way. Then you had to get to step 3. Where's the engine effects? You turned it on.
Go Gray. Go Gray. Perfect. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to see if I can find that park that I read about that didn't have the distance. It's called Cloman Park. And it's supposed to be off this road somewhere. Well, I found the park. But I don't know if it's a bicycle type park. I don't know. Multi-use trail, hiking, biking, running. It still doesn't say the distance. Okay. So there's a trail going up that way. And a trail straight ahead. You could definitely ride your bike down that. I just don't know how far it goes. I don't really like the trail that goes up like that. That's more of a walking path. Should I unload my bike and just see? I guess I should, shouldn't I? At least ride down to the end of that dirt road. So I guess I'll do that while I'm already out here. Mark and I decided to come back and walk the trail instead of riding our bikes.
It was a beautiful day when we did it. And if I remember right, I think we ended up walking about a mile, maybe a little bit over.